The expanded Corning vision, as shown in A Day Made of Glass 2, Same Day, imagines a future where advanced glass technologies revolutionize everyday life. This vision includes interactive glass surfaces seamlessly integrated into walls, appliances, and furniture, enhancing connectivity and convenience at home and in the workplace. It also features innovations in healthcare with real-time diagnostics, interactive learning environments using augmented reality, energy-efficient glass for sustainable living, and smarter transportation systems. Corning's vision demonstrates how cutting-edge glass technologies can transform various aspects of life, making environments smarter, safer, and more efficient. On March 27, 1999, a significant event in military history occurred during the NATO bombing of Yugoslavia when a U.S. Air Force Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk stealth aircraft was shot down by the Yugoslav army using a Soviet-made S-125 Neva surface-to-air missile. This incident marked the first time a stealth technology aircraft was downed, highlighting the vulnerability of even the most advanced military technology. The pilot, Lieutenant Colonel Dale Zelko, successfully ejected and was later rescued by U.S. Air Force pararescuemen. The event underscored the evolving nature of aerial warfare and the continuous development of countermeasures against cutting-edge technology. The GR2 humanoid robot, developed by Fourier Intelligence, is a groundbreaking advancement in robotics, standing at 175 centimeters tall and weighing 63 kilograms. Boasting 53 degrees of freedom and a 3 kilogram single-arm load capacity, it excels in handling complex tasks with precision. Enhanced with a detachable battery that doubles its runtime, integrated cabling for optimized space, and a redesigned joint structure for easier maintenance, the GR2 is equipped for efficiency. Its 12 DoF dexterous hands and 6 array-type tactile sensors allow it to mimic human flexibility and adapt to dynamic environments. This next-generation robot bridges the gap between AI simulations and practical applications, pushing the boundaries of humanoid robotics. The Manta X is a state-of-the-art hybrid drone designed by Marine Tech for both surface and underwater missions. Equipped with an array of advanced sensors, including side-scan sonar, multi-beam echo sounder, current profiler, hydrophone, and HD cameras, the Manta X is built to carry additional payloads and perform complex operations in challenging environments. This new generation drone is set to revolutionize fields like oceanography, naval defense, and surveillance by providing a versatile platform for mapping and monitoring coastal areas and deep-sea exploration. With its cutting-edge technology and autonomous capabilities, the Manta X stands out as an invaluable tool for the future of marine exploration and defense. The Celeste Zephalto luxury space balloon, an innovative venture by the French aerospace company Zephalto, is set to revolutionize space tourism by the end of 2024. This pressurized capsule, lifted by a stratospheric balloon, will carry 6 passengers and 2 crew members to an altitude of over 82,000 feet, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Earth's curvature. Designed with ultimate luxury and comfort in mind, Celeste features a gourmet dining experience curated by top French chefs and personalized services to ensure an unforgettable journey. Combining elegance with cutting-edge technology, this space balloon provides a unique and opulent way for adventurers to explore the edge of space in style. The Griffith VTO, vertical takeoff airliner, conceptualized by Rolls-Royce in the 1950s, was a revolutionary idea aimed at transforming supersonic air travel. This innovative design featured 68 jet engines, 12 for horizontal flight and 56 for vertical takeoff and landing, enabling rapid and versatile transitions between different flight modes. The Griffith VTO aimed to drastically cut travel time between major cities, such as New York and London, to under 2 hours. While the aircraft was never built, its concept showcased the ambitious engineering and forward-thinking vision of its era, highlighting the potential for groundbreaking advancements in aviation technology and capabilities. Elon Musk has unveiled an ambitious plan for interstellar travel with SpaceX's Starship, which is set to venture beyond our solar system. Musk revealed that a future, more advanced version of Starship is being designed to traverse the entire solar system and reach the Oort cloud, a vast region of icy bodies surrounding our solar system. This interstellar starship aims to explore other star systems, marking a groundbreaking leap in space exploration technology. With its powerful engines and fully reusable design, Starship has the potential to revolutionize our approach to exploring the cosmos and pave the way for human colonization of other star systems. This plan signifies a significant step towards realizing Musk's vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species. This multilevel breeding yacht is a responsible leisure vessel designed for sustainable fish culture. It combines luxury with environmental stewardship, featuring sweeping multilevel decks, an expansive leisure area with open sitting spaces, and a transparent floor swimming pool. Below the water level, the yacht provides a habitat for fish species like tuna and salmon, helping to restore balance to aquatic ecosystems. Powered by solar energy, this innovative yacht offers a private sanctuary for fish culture while allowing owners to enjoy the surrounding landscape and underwater life. This unique blend of luxury and sustainability makes the yacht a remarkable advancement in eco-friendly leisure vessels. The DJI Dock 2 is an advanced, compact docking station designed for the autonomous operation of Manta X 3D or 3TD drones. It is 75% smaller and 68% lighter than its predecessor, making it highly portable and easy to install. Featuring advanced operational capabilities and cloud-based intelligent functions, DJI Dock 2 enhances efficiency and quality in automated drone operations. With an IP55 rating for dust and water resistance, it ensures reliable performance in harsh environments. The dock includes integrated environmental monitoring and next-gen image recognition technology, providing precise landing and real-time weather updates to minimize flight risks. This innovative solution is ideal for high-standard operations that require reliable and efficient drone deployment. The CorPower C4 is an innovative wave energy converter developed by CorPower Ocean, designed to harness the power of ocean waves to generate clean electricity. Inspired by the mechanics of the human heart, the C4 uses a buoy shape to maximize energy capture. Anchored to the seabed, it oscillates with the waves, driving a pump that creates a pressure differential to power a generator. This technology addresses challenges in wave energy, such as survivability in extreme conditions and efficient power generation. Successfully deployed in Portugal, the C4 demonstrates its ability to provide consistent, renewable energy, making it a promising solution for a sustainable future. Saudi Arabia is set to launch its first luxury train service, the Dream of the Desert, by the end of 2025. This opulent train, a collaboration between Saudi Arabia Railways and Italy's Arsenal Group, will cover 800 miles from Riyadh to Al Khurayt. Offering a blend of modern luxury and traditional Saudi aesthetics, it features 40 custom-built cabins providing stunning views of the desert landscape, gourmet dining experiences, and stops at UNESCO World Heritage Sites for cultural immersion. This venture is part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative, aiming to boost tourism and attract 150 million visitors annually by showcasing the nation's diverse landscapes and rich heritage. Heart Aerospace's Heart X1 is a groundbreaking all-electric demonstrator aircraft developed by the Swedish startup. Slated for its first flight in 2025 from Plattsburgh International Airport in New York, this aircraft aims to validate the company's electric propulsion technology. The Heart X1, which closely resembles the forthcoming 30-seater ES-30, features a 32-meter wingspan and promises zero-emissions regional air travel. It offers a range of 200 kilometers on electric power alone, extendable to 400 kilometers with hybrid power. By connecting smaller pocket airports, this innovation addresses the need for sustainable and efficient regional air transportation, marking a significant step towards cleaner aviation. Synhelion is a cleantech company that has pioneered a unique technology to produce sustainable solar fuels from sunlight. Their innovative sun-to-liquid technology integrates advanced solar systems with proprietary high-temperature thermochemical processes, converting CO2 and H2O into synthetic fuels. These nearly carbon-neutral solar fuels can replace fossil fuels and are compatible with existing global fuel infrastructure. Synhelion's first industrial demonstration plant, Dawn, was built in Germany, and their first commercial production plant is set to open in Spain by 2027. This technology aims to contribute to a net-zero transportation sector and enhance global energy security by reducing dependence on fossil fuels. The HOTOL, Horizontal Takeoff and Landing, was an ambitious British project from the 1980s aiming to develop a single-stage-to-orbit (SSTO) spaceplane powered by an air-breathing jet engine. Spearheaded by Rolls-Royce and British Aerospace, HOTOL was designed to take off from a conventional runway, transition to rocket propulsion at high altitude, and achieve orbit. The innovative RB545 or Swallow engine would use atmospheric oxygen during ascent, reducing the need for onboard oxidizer and resulting in a lighter and more efficient spaceplane. Despite its pioneering concept, HOTOL faced technical and funding challenges, leading to its cancellation in 1989. However, its technology paved the way for the development of the Skylon spaceplane by Reaction Engines Limited. The Raven, robotic avian-inspired vehicle for multiple environments, is a cutting-edge, bird-inspired drone developed by researchers at EPFL, École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne. This innovative drone can walk, hop, and jump into flight using bird-like legs, enabling it to access environments that are typically challenging for traditional drones. Inspired by perching birds such as ravens and crows, Raven's multifunctional legs mimic the energy-storing tendons and flexible toes of birds, allowing it to take off autonomously from various terrains. This bio-inspired design significantly enhances the drone's versatility and adaptability, making it a powerful tool for navigating complex landscapes and expanding the capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles. The 6G vision for 2030 aims to create a fully data-driven society with near-instant and unlimited wireless connectivity. This next-generation technology promises to transform the way we create, deliver, and consume data and services, fostering a truly digital world. With capabilities such as ultra-high reliability, massive connection density, and advanced AI integration, 6G is expected to support a wide range of applications, from smart cities to immersive virtual reality experiences. Emphasizing sustainability, the 6G vision aims to minimize environmental impacts while providing seamless connectivity everywhere, paving the way for a more connected and efficient future. The Viverse Metaverse AI is a cutting-edge platform that leverages technologies like VR, AR, AI, 5G, and blockchain to create an immersive virtual world. By seamlessly connecting the physical, digital, and virtual realms, Viverse allows users to explore new dimensions and participate in activities such as holographic concerts and virtual museum tours. This AI-driven metaverse aims to revolutionize our interactions and experiences, offering endless opportunities for creativity and exploration. It transforms the impossible into reality, paving the way for a more interconnected and imaginative future in the digital age. The Overture Superfactory, located at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina, is the first supersonic airliner factory in the United States. Completed in June 2024, this state-of-the-art facility is designed for the final assembly, testing, and delivery of Boom Supersonic's Overture aircraft. The factory's assembly line is capable of producing 33 supersonic aircraft annually, with plans to double that capacity with a second line. The Superfactory is LEED certified and 40% more energy efficient than similar facilities, incorporating sustainable practices such as urban heat mitigation materials and high-efficiency LED lighting. This innovative facility marks a significant step towards the return of affordable, convenient, and sustainable supersonic flight, paving the way for a new era in air travel. Virgin Hyperloop is set to revolutionize transportation by moving passengers and cargo at airline speeds on the ground. Utilizing a near-vacuum environment within a tube, the system allows pods to glide at speeds of up to 670 miles per hour with minimal aerodynamic drag. The pods are lifted and guided by electromagnets, making the system 10 times more efficient than traditional maglev trains. This technology promises to cut journey times between cities from hours to minutes, offering a quiet, safe, and comfortable travel experience. Virgin Hyperloop aims to provide on-demand, direct-to-destination service, transforming the future of mass transportation.